you're looking for a 19-foot deck boat that checks all the boxes, meet the Starcraft SVX 191. Spacious, stylish, and ready for whatever the weekend throws your way. The bow features deep wraparound lounges with room to stretch out, perfect for cruising or dropping anchor and soaking in the view. Up front, there's a built-in box near the anchor locker, ideal for keeping ropes or a small anchor tucked away. Midship seating gives your crew a great spot to chill while staying in the mix. At the helm, you've got a high-back swivel captain's chair and a clean layout of controls that keeps everything within easy reach. Down by your feet, there's smart Fender storage, and just beside it, a larger in-floor compartment for gear, skis, or anything else you want out of the way. A compact sink adds convenience, whether you're rinsing off or prepping snacks. You'll also find grab rails everywhere, a small detail that makes a big difference in safety and comfort. And for sound, this one's upgraded with a JL audio system, crystal clear and ready to bring the vibes. In the back, the extended swim platform gives you plenty of space to hang out near the water. Powering the SVX 191 is a reliable Yamaha 150 horsepower outboard, giving you plenty of performance for cruising, tubing, or towing. And when it's time to dive in or get back on board, bow and stern ladders make it effortless. Come check out the SVX 191 in person at any Nautical Ventures dealership or visit us online at nauticalventures.com to schedule a showing. Nautical Ventures, the go-to people for fun on the water.